Okay, we're going to explain this thing. Okay, welcome back, sports fans. Nice day today, nice and sunny. No snow on the ground. It's looking pretty good. Okay, today, carbon monoxide. Very, very bad stuff. Now pay attention. I'm only going to tell you this once or twice or 3 times. Anyway, this is the carbon monoxide detector that we had in the trailer. Okay? Now, I've been going on about these for, what, years and years and years. And I said, you have to replace them every 5 years. Do the math. Can you believe that? Right to the friggin' day almost. Anyway, so this one here, what it was doing was beeping all the time, going off. So we just took it out of the wall and fired it in the ditch. So that's an RV one. And there's not really a whole bunch of information out there on these things. They just say, oh, you have to put them there, and oh, you have to do this, you have to do that. But there's no real information on it. They give you this book here that's in 5 languages, but it really doesn't say nothing. Like, all we want, Mr. Kitty, is tell us where to put it, how long it's good for, how high off the floor, and yada, yada, yada. But they don't. They make you guess. That's why, remember I complained about those propane detectors being all over? That's why, because they don't tell you. Anyway, we mounted this one, what was it, 9.5 inches off the ground, off the floor. We put it right back where the old one was. So there shouldn't be an issue. We're like 2 meters from the stove, or 4 feet from the stove. We're about a 1.5 feet below the fridge. So I'm thinking it should work just fine. Now, I put in a house one. And the good thing about it is I put in this one, the 310 DCA. Now, this here has got a 10-year battery on it, so you know I'm going to check and make sure. So it comes with a 10-year battery in it. So you don't have to put no batteries. You don't have to, when the battery goes low in the trailer, you don't have to worry about it. The only thing is you have to keep it warm. So I'm thinking if you park it, you might want to take it and put it in the house. Like take it out, put it in the house. If you take it off the stand that is mounted on, it'll turn itself off. There's a little screwdriver port there to turn it off. So I'm thinking this might be the ticket, because it's good for 10 years and it does carbon monoxide and propane. So I'm thinking it's going to be good. Carbon monoxide's a big killer. That's the one that you're... propane, you can usually smell it, but carbon monoxide is the bad one. So we're going to put a little video in behind there to show you where we mount. Okay, here we mounted it back where the original one was. So all I did was cut a piece of wallboard, covered over the hole, and put the new one on there. Now we're, what, 9.5 inches off the floor, and the stove's right behind us, and the fridge is right there. That's where the original one was. So that's why I put it back there. Very easy. Very easy. And it's right underneath the old one, or right where the old one was. So I don't think it's going to be an issue. I'll keep an eye on it, and I'll get back to you. So I hope you got something out of this. Just make sure if you're running propane or in your rig, doesn't matter, van, car, truck, bus, motorhome, RV, your shed, your fishing shack, I don't care where it is, make sure, for crying out loud, you got a carbon monoxide detector. It's just the stupidest thing. I think this thing was like $40 Canadian, and this is a 10-year one. So, and they're down to 20 bucks. So when people get sort of screwed up with carbon monoxide, I say, why? But anyway, that's how I'm going to leave you with that. I hope you got something out of it. Thank you very much. Remember, thumbs down, no subs. You guys are working. You're doing good.